We are pleased to show you the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.